Hello, and thanks for joining the Trimble Business Center site design course. This course was actually put together on an older version of Business Center a few years ago. It's currently 13 chapters. It takes a user from the very beginning stages of a project in the preliminary design phase, working with GIS data, and going all the way through a civil engineering design of what you see here. It basically includes a little bit of everything: site grading, roadways, working on a pond, utilities, really detailed in more of the design phase, but basically it's going to take you all the way through the construction process. And what I decided to do is, over the next few weeks, is spend some time updating this with a new version of Business Center and show you some new features, new tools, and new steps. So the current content's still applicable. It still would be the same process that you could use today, except you could take advantage of some of the newer features in the latest versions of Business Center. So still wanted to provide it out there as another source of knowledge. Like I said, I'll be updating it here over the next few weeks to make it even a better course. So got any questions, feel free to ask, and good luck.